Hello folks, it's JRNH. I'm here in the western part of Yokohama's train station. That's I don't know, say NEWoMan or NEWoMan or something like that. It's kind of weird here in Japan. But I'm here again. I'm in the western part of. So I'm saying this is JRNH. Today I'm gonna be walking around this other part of. This is the opposite from the what do you call it? What's the name of the other side? I try to remember later. So this is the western part. Here's the Yokohama bus station and the taxi stand. You pick up your taxis here. So this place really got built up pretty good here. Look at this. See the Yokohama station right there. So I'm gonna take a little walk here. Again, this is the western part of Yokohama station. Here's the place you want to come to when you visit Japan, or I mean, visit Yokohama. Western part got all the restaurants, all the shopping places you want to shop. So this is Jonas Takashima. So this is a really nice area here in Yokohama. I live just by train. Just by train, it takes me 10 minutes. But when I always take the bus now because my knees are all messed up now. I'm kind of disabled pretty bad. But this is the I take a bus. The bus will take 30 minutes. So still a lot of shoppers here. Take a little walk. Here in Japan, all the everybody dressed up pretty nice here. Very stylish here, Japan. Practically, I come here almost every day now. I got complete freedom now. I love Yokohama's train station. Every day is different. But I do go to Tokyo almost every day also. You know, I like to ride the trains. Get on the train, take a nap, wake up. Here's some hats here. But I like trucker hats. This trucker hats are really hard to find. Like that kind of store right there. I got a bunch of trucker hats. I'm an old guy from Texas. Oh. Here we go. I'm almost going to exit the building. Okay. I hope everybody from Nigishi, we're here many years or decades ago, remember this place. So remember here. Okay, ring light. I lucked out. Okay, remember Chicky's Pizza on the left side. ABC Mart also. In fact, last week I found me a trucker hat there. Puma. I lucked out. Oh my God. So, see a lot of people still walking here. Look like the sun's going down. Living in Japan has been wonderful for me. I mean, wonderful. Here so safe. The food's so clean. The people here are so friendly. I love this. walking. Well, folks, I'm still almost done. Almost done with this video. All right, folks. That was a little short video. I'm going to that building. I like to go to the book off. They got some cheap CDs. They run to like $3 to $5, but they still good. Like it has brand new. So I'm gonna turn this way. Straight ahead is the train station. See you guys soon, folks. Next video log. General Asia. Thank you for the subscriptions for the Philippines, United States, and Japan. Bye, folks. And it's free to subscribe to my channel, JR in Asia. Bye.